Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic acquire resources process of project management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. So let's start. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, acquire resources is basically a process of project resource management as defined in the PMBOK Guide, Project Management Body of Knowledge, which is a book issued by PMI, Project Management Institute, which is a non-profit based organization. Friend, whenever we are working in any organization or implementing any project, so the most important thing to complete a project is basically a resource. That resource could be a human resource, like for example software developers, software engineers, DevOps team, etc. It could be any hardware, like for example any computer system. It could be any software, like for example any software services, any integration services. Okay, so basically like the importance of resources is very high in a project completion. uh, so the people, material, equipment, facilities, software, hardware, that resources are basically necessary to complete a project. Now acquiring resource process is a process in project management which is part of planning, execution, and ensuring that the project team has the right resources at the right time so that they can successfully and smoothly complete the project. So first thing is the resource identification. Resource identification means that what are the type of resources that are required to complete a project. So first thing is the human resource identification. That means it basically pertains to identify and select the individuals or team members with the necessary skills and expertise to fulfill project roles and responsibilities. So basically we identify that which type of human resources are required. For example, if you are implementing e-commerce solutions, so how many software engineers you need, how many software designers you need, uh, which type of skills you required for production deployment, etc. So this may involve hiring new staff or assigning existing team members or outsourcing a specific task. Then material resources means that determine the material, hardware, software, equipment needed for a project. This could include like any hardware, it could include any software technology, any tool, software, any physical resource required for a project activity. For example, you may need a computer hardware server for the deployment of any software project. For example, uh, you need any software license to complete any project requirement. Okay, so these all are the pertains to material resources. So mainly resources we can categorize in two types, human resources and the material resources. Okay, so first we have to identify the human and the material resources to complete a project. Next is the next is the procurement. Procurement means that for example for human resources you need to talk with the for example with the function managers so that you can get the resources. For example, you need two software resources, software engineers, so you have to talk with the function manager. Maybe you need to hire the new resources, so you have to talk with the HR department to get hire the new resources. So it all depends that either you need internal staff, external hiring, or contractors for the requirement in the staffing. Next is the procurement. Procurement means, for example, if you are need the hardware or software or any services from external vendors or suppliers, so obviously you have to involve with the contractors. You have to negotiate with them and ensuring that the acquired resources meet the project requirements. So first we have to identify the resources, then you have to initiate the process of procurement of that particular resource. Either it could be human resource, either it could be a material like any hardware or software resource. Next is the resource development. Resource development means, friend, the training and skill development. That means, like for example, you have any existing resource available, like you have already two software engineers are available, for example, but you know that they are, for example, they are working on ABC technology nowadays, and for the project you have any XYZ technology is needed. So uh, one thing you can do, like, so you know that they can work on the new technology as well, but they may need some training sessions, workshops, or any professional development opportunities. So you can arrange, you can talk with the management and arrange a training for them, so that they can have the hands-on knowledge, practical knowledge about the technology. Because if they have the knowledge, they can work properly on the project as well, and it will definitely add a value in your project as well. So if you think that any training is needed, if any skill development is needed, it must have to be arranged for the team as well. Next is the team building. Team building means it is a collaborative or positive team environment. That means you must have to talk with them, communicate with them. This is very important, that trust and collaboration among team members is very very important. It should be available among the team members. And see team building means that the team is working as a whole, as a team. Okay, they are not working as an individual, they should have to work as a single team. Next is the assigning the roles and responsibilities to the team. Every member should have to know that what is his role, what he is going to do, and it should be properly documented, properly assigned, and everyone knows that what is his role in the project. And ensure the tasks are assigned based on individual strength and the expertise. Then allocate the material resources, uh, like for example any material you have to send it outside the country, for example you have to send it outside the city. So physical resources efficiently distributed among the location. Then resource mobilization means that onboarding the team members into the project by providing necessary orientation, access to tools, system, and establishing communication channels. This is called as onboarding. Logistic means that provide the resource deployment, including workspace setup, access to technology, and any other requirement if it is necessary. So, and then once the resources have been sent on the proper location, then monitoring of resource utilization is also very important. That resources should be properly utilizing their work hour, their material consumption, and any other relevant metrics should be available, so that you can have a tracking on the utilization. If there is any adjustment required for resource allocation as needed based on changing project requirements, priorities, or unforeseen changes, so you have to do it accordingly. So, friend, by effectively managing the acquired resource process, project managers can enhance the likelihood of project success by ensuring that the right resources are available and utilized efficiently throughout the project lifecycle. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for watching.